बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप लोग सारे खैरियत से होंगे। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ज्योग्राफी क्लास 7 जो कि पंजाब टेक्स्ट बुक का नया कोर्स है, इसके चैप्टर नंबर 2 की आज क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करेंगे। तो इस चैप्टर नंबर 2 का नाम है वाटर सोर्सेज एंड मैनेजमेंट। अच्छा, तो पहले वो वाले शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन और लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन करेंगे जो किताब में दिए गए हैं, फिर इसके बाद इजाफी यानी एक्स्ट्रा शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन और लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन भी करेंगे। तो पहले वो वाले शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस करते हैं जो किताब में दिए गए हैं। गिव द शॉर्ट आंसर्स ऑफ द फॉलोइंग। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हाट इज orographic रेनफॉल। तो इसका आंसर है orographic रेनफॉल occurs when mountains block moist air, forcing it to rise. As the air rises, it cools, vapors condense into water droplets, and rainfall occurs. Question 2. Write two uses of biogas. Answer. Biogas is used as a fuel for heating and cooking. It is used for electricity generation and as a vehicle fuel. Question 3. Define the term chlorination. तो इसका आंसर है chlorination is a water purification method in which chlorine is added to water to kill germs, parasites and disease causing organisms. Question 4. What are aquifers? Answer. Aquifers are underground water sources found below the earth's surface consisting of porous rocks that contain water. अच्छा, अब है क्वेश्चन नंबर 5। Which instrument is used to measure rain? Answer. The instrument used to measure rain is called a rain gauge. अच्छा, क्वेश्चन 3 में है, अब है लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन जो किताब में दिए गए हैं। राइट द आंसर्स ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इन डिटेल। Question 1. Explain the major sources of water on Earth and Pakistan. Answer. Water is obtained from several natural sources. Oceans. Largest source of water but salty and not suitable for direct use. Rivers. अच्छा, provide water for farming, hydropower, transport and industries. Lakes. Fresh and saltwater lakes used for fishing and irrigation. Glaciers and ice caps. Major source of fresh water found in high altitudes. Ponds. Small water bodies used for agriculture and fishing. Springs. Natural freshwater sources are used for drinking and commercial purposes. Aquifers. Underground water reservoirs used for irrigation and household needs. अच्छा, नेक्स्ट है रेन वाटर, seasonal source stored in tanks and dams for various uses. Question 2. Describe the different types of precipitation. Answer. Precipitation is the fall of moisture from the atmosphere in liquid or solid form. Rainfall occurs when water droplets become heavy and fall. Types include orographic, convectional and cyclonic rainfall. Snowfall occurs when temperature is below freezing and snowflakes form. Hailing. Ice balls in hailstones fall from clouds. Sleet. A mixture of rain and snow formed when raindrops freeze. Okay. Next है question number 3. Explain the process of water cycle in maintaining water supply of the earth. तो इसका आंसर है the water cycle is the continuous movement of water on earth. Evaporation. Water changes into vapor due to heat. Condensation. Vapor cools and forms clouds. Sublimation. Ice directly changes into vapor. Precipitation. Water falls as rain, snow, hail or sleet. अच्छा, ट्रांसपिरेशन. प्लांट्स रिलीज वाटर वेपर अराउंड ऑफ. वाटर फ्लोज ओवर लैंड इनटू रिवर्स. इनफिल्ट्रेशन. वाटर सीप्स इनटू द ग्राउंड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Describe different uses of sewage waste. Answer. Sewage waste is used water from homes and industries. Used for washing and flushing. treated and reused, released into rivers after treatment, used for irrigation of land. So question 5. Discuss the biogas as a source of energy. Answer. Biogas is a renewable fuel produced from organic waste such as food scraps and animal waste. अच्छा, used for cooking and heating, used to generate electricity, used as vehicle fuel, environment friendly and reduces pollution, can be converted into biomethane. अच्छा, अब है क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग वाले क्वेश्चंस जो किताब में दिए गए हैं. Question 1. What will happen if there is no water cycle? Answer. Without the water cycle, there would be no rainfall, water sources would dry up, and life on Earth would not survive. Question 2. Can biogas reduce climate change? Answer. Yes, biogas reduces climate change because it is a clean and renewable energy source and lowers harmful gas emissions. Question 3. How does sewage affect water quality and aquatic life? Answer. Sewage pollutants, sewage pollutes water, reduces oxygen levels, harms aquatic life, and spreads diseases. Question 4. Which regions receive the highest rate of precipitation and why? Answer. Mountainous regions received the highest precipitation because moist air rises, cools, and causes orographic rainfall. अब है इजाफी यानी additional short questions with answers. Question 1. What is convectional rainfall? Answer. Convectional rainfall occurs when the sun hits the ground, causing warm air to rise. As it rises, it cools, condenses, and forms rainfall. Question 2. What is cyclonic यानी frontal or rainfall? Answer. Cyclonic rainfall occurs when warm and cold air masses meet. The warm air rises, cools, and forms clouds that produce rainfall. Question 3. What is snowfall? Answer. Snowfall occurs when temperature falls below freezing and water vapors turn into ice crystals that fall as snow. Question 4. What is hailing? Answer. Hailing occurs when water vapors freezes in very cold air and form ice balls that fall to the ground. Question of 5. What is sleet? Answer. Sleet is a mixture of rain and snow formed when raindrops freeze while falling through cold air. Question 6. What is evaporation? Answer. Evaporation is the process in which water changes into vapor due to heat from the sun. Question 7. What is condensation? Answer. Condensation is the process in which water vapors cool and turn into water droplets forming clouds. Question 8. What is transpiration? Answer. Transpiration is the process by which plants release water vapor into the air. Question 9. What is runoff? Answer. Runoff is the flow of water over the surface of the earth into rivers and streams. The question 10. What is infiltration? Answer. Infiltration is the process in which water seeps into the soil and becomes groundwater. Question 11. What is distillation? Answer. Distillation is a water purification method in which water is boiled or turned into vapor and then condensed back into pure liquid. Question 12. What is filtration? Answer. Filtration is a process that removes impurities from water by passing it through a filter. Question 13. What is boiling in water purification? Answer. Boiling is a method in which water is heated to kill germs and make it safe for drinking. Question 14. What are isohydrates? तो इसका आंसर है Isohyets are lines on a map that connect places having equal amounts of rainfall. अब है इजाफी यानी एडिशनल लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन with answers. Question 1. Explain the effects and importance of water cycle. Answer. The water cycle has many important effects. It regulates the temperature of the surroundings. It brings rainfall. It helps in the conversion of rocks into soil. It circulates important minerals through different spheres. It creates geographical features like rivers, lakes, valleys, and ice caps. अच्छा नेक्स्ट है क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. डिस्क्राइब द स्टेप्स इन्वॉल्व इन precipitation formation. आंसर. द फॉलोइंग स्टेप्स आर इन्वॉल्व इन precipitation formation. Moist air rises from the earth's surface as water vapor. Vapors cool and combine to form clouds. Water droplets grow larger. When they become heavy, they fall as rainfall. Question 3. Explain different water purification methods. इसका आंसर है different water purification methods is discussed below. Number 1. Boiling kills harmful germs. Simple and cheap method. Number 2. Filtration removes solid impurities. Uses physical and chemical processes. Number 3. Distillation produces pure water by evaporation and condensation. Removes salts and harmful substances. Number 4. Chlorination uses chlorine to kill bacteria and germs. Common and effective method. Question number 4. Describe the process of sublimation. Answer. Sublimation is the process in which ice changes directly into water vapor without first turning into liquid, or vapor changes directly into ice. Question 5. Explain rainwater as a source of water. Answer. Rainwater is a seasonal but important source of water collected in tanks and dams, used in dry seasons, important for farming and household use. Acha, helps in hydropower generation. Next question number 6. Describe the importance of glaciers and ice caps. Answer. The importance of glaciers and ice caps include they are major sources of fresh water found in high altitudes and polar regions. Melted water feeds rivers, provide water for human use. Question number 7. Explain the role of springs in water supply. Answer. The role of springs in water supply is explained below. Springs are natural freshwater sources. Water comes from underground aquifers used for drinking and commercial purposes. Some springs produce hot water. Question number 8. Describe the importance of rivers. अच्छा तो इसका आंसर है यहाँ पे आंसर लिखना चाहिए या इन पॉइंट से पहले ये लिखना चाहिए द इम्पॉर्टेंस ऑफ रिवर्स इज एज अंडर. अच्छा प्रोवाइड वाटर फॉर एग्रीकल्चर, जनरेट हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिक पावर, सपोर्ट मेरीन लाइफ, यूज्ड फॉर ट्रांसपोर्टेशन एंड ट्रेड. तो ये थे क्वेश्चन चैप्टर नंबर 2 के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. तो यहाँ पे मैं अपना व्हाट्सएप नंबर दे रहा हूँ, तो अगर आप लोगों को ये क्वेश्चन आंसर्स PDF फॉर्मेट में चाहिए तो इस व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे आप लोग मेरे साथ रब्ता कर सकते हैं, वॉइस मैसेज के ज़रिए या टेक्स्ट मैसेज के ज़रिए. तो फिर उसके बाद मैं आप लोगों को ये जो क्वेश्चन आंसर्स है ये PDF फॉर्मेट में भेज दूँगा. तो इंशाल्लाह मिलेंगे चैप्टर नंबर 3 के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स के साथ. उस वक्त तक इजाज़त चाहता हूँ. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.